If you feel a tremor, please resist the urge of heading to the nearest exit. There's nothing to worry about. Just my knees trembling. You see, while my mind is fiercely and sharply competitive, the rest of me would rather be somewhere else, preferably over there, where I can match the person over here with a fool of himself. And for what? I'm Ramon Gonzaga of BSIP 21. So, what is the reason why people throw out all the caution and self-respect to the wind just to join contests like this? In my case, it's very sad. But generally, I believe that most people want to win. And as much as they want to win, they hate to lose. Don't wait if your mother will say, it's okay, son. There's another day. Mothers are supposed to say those things. We need a surefire technique to succeed in life. There are many game plans. There are many game plans that are ranging from indigenous to the devious one. Look, you can beat Michael Phelps in swimming. To challenge him in horse race or Dota or Jackstone. There must be somewhere else where you're good at, you're better at. And one of the contestants, but 30, 40, 50 years from now, who knows? What that is, you can stop the deck in your favor. What if your grandmother refuses to play basketball with you and sends in LeBron James instead? Then the humiliating, terrifying, and horrible prospect of defeat became probable, highly probable. Then, in those moments, a person should have their composure intact. We can always use the ignorant approach. Contest? What contest? Oh, that wasn't me. That was my brother-in-law. And another substitute is the witness protection approach, which you can go to the other side of the world and change your identity. Just be sure that you minimize documenting the evidences of your debacle. In that way, you will have your self-respect intact. So today, I am in a position where I am chatting for drones. It's too late to poison all the contestants. Our judge is not even my relative, nor I am her student. But do you see me panic? The true competitor has mastered the art of damage control. And I may finish fourth in a full field of 4, but never will say I finished last. I want to win, but if I didn't get the prize, it's okay. I brought my own. Where is the smile? And tomorrow, most people will forget. Most people will not remember whether you won or lost. Thank you very much.
Wow.